Inside this impeccably landscaped community, you will find a home with new and exciting updates found throughout, plus a flexible floor plan perfect for today's distinctive buyer. Welcome to the gated community of Wesmere. First impressions say it all: brand new roof in June 2018, fresh exterior paint, side entry garage and majestic front yard tree. A covered entry opens to a spacious floor plan with separate but open living and dining areas, perfect for entertaining and each with access to the kitchen, family room, and extended screen patio with wooded view. Newer tile flooring in all gathering areas, wood flooring in the bedrooms along with a refreshing color palette and front plantation shutters create a relaxing and inviting atmosphere. The kitchen features wood cabinets with plenty of storage, stainless steel appliances, stone counters and dinette with a view of the family room and wood fireplace. The updated master suite with big walk-in closet and patio access features a remodeled master bath with upgraded vanities, stone counters, separate seamless glass shower with pebble stone flooring and corner garden tub. There are 2 additional bedrooms, each of a considerable size, plus another updated bath with inset rectangle sink and contemporary vertical tile. Outside, the semi-secluded screen patio looks upon a wood planks and deck, and easy-to-maintain backyard. Wesmere features a community pool, tennis, recreation, bike, and walking paths. Nearby local restaurants and popular shopping areas in addition to the 408, 429